Ooh, already? That was quick. That was real quick. I just loaded in and they already got Grandpa. They moving down there. I'm not the best Hitchhiker team, so hey, I'm gonna try. Was he? Grandpa was the best there ever was? Wait, no, there's one right here. Yeah, I'm about to say. I know there's one over here somewhere. Where you gonna go? Where you gonna go? Where you gonna go?
You ever had head cheese? It's good. Come here, I'll show you.
Come on, gang. I was supposed to hit her right there. Y'all know I was. Y'all know I was. Y'all know I was. I'm on her. I'm on her. I got her. She bled out. Please go check the other areas. Please, please, please. Julie's dead. Come on, Grandpa, hurry up and drink with your old thirsty self. You're the thirstiest nigga I know. Somebody lighting up red over there. But I'm about to put this down to the fuse. Fix this real quick. That's good.
You'll never see this. It always works.
I see him.
I should have made more of them traps.
Oh, good kill. Sometimes it could be just unnecessarily confusing just to get out of here. She right here. Connie.
This blade cuts good.
Connie over here. I'm on Connie. Trust me, I know how you feel when you get stuck. Trust me, I know how you feel, bro. I know exactly how you feel. I be getting stuck on invisible objects too. But you ain't getting away from me though. You wasn't getting away from me though. That's for a fact. You wasn't. We got one more. I think Anna. Anna, however you say her name. We'll pronounce it. Hey, we did pretty good this time. We did really good this time. She's already over there. Anna might be the one to make it. Are you over here? Even if so, I'm still trapping this up. Even if she is the last one.
Grandpa taught me this little trick.
Why do I feel like I'm always hearing someone heal? Or I can just be bugging, but it always sounds like somebody's healing. Get that. Should be one right here. Nope, not this time. She ain't come through this way, did she? Nah. I don't know where she at then. Okay, yeah, that's like that. I'm gonna lock this back. I'm gonna check the other way just in case. Let's see. Slide right through there. Come on. Let me get this. Okay, so they did come this way. But exactly where is she? I do not have a clue of where she could be. Yeah, I don't have not a clue of where she could be. I know I should be shutting that, but I ain't really too worried about that. Okay, 60 feet in grandpa. Then I'm going back over here. What am I stuck on?
Well, I'm sick of eating scraps. We gotta fight them.
I seen you this whole time, shawty. She was just over here. I was trying to creep and see if she was gonna jump back. She was still over there. She was. She just bled out. Wow. 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 GG.